Hey friends, check out this light bulb here, right? Now this ain't no any ordinary light bulb, no. This is gonna be one of those new technology here light bulbs that have the 3 different trifecta LED lights on it that you can adjust and point where you need to point them, right? And not only is this Garagelight have that new features of it, this is also gonna have a motion detection mode, right? So it's gonna stay off until it detects somebody creeping in the night and it's gonna shine on them. It's gonna turn it on, right? So this is fantastic. I love how versatile it is. It's that base E26 that's gonna screw in that, most of those light bulb bases that you have in your house, but it also comes with the base itself. So if you're an electrician or you know an electrician or you got some different setups that you need to run, you can run the 2 wires of this, mount it up, and you're gonna have that motion detecting LED trifecta light wherever you need it. I tell you, this is fantastic. I'm loving this light bulb. I'm loving the high quality of it, the materials of it. You can just tell that they poured their love into this light bulb when they created it, right? And then I love how good this motion detection really is. So I've tried this out in a couple different spots throughout my house, in the basement, out in the garage, and out in the backyard, and it hasn't failed me yet. It picked up motion every time and it shone the light on every time. And then not only that, I'm just super impressed how bright this light really is. This is one of the brightest LED trifecta light bulbs that I have seen, right? So all in all, if you're looking for a nice little, the new LED light bulb here with the 3 different trifecta light sections that you can move, you can adjust, and you can manipulate how you need to shine your light, right? But then also it's gonna have that motion detection sensor on it that's gonna detect motion and turn the light on when motion is detected. This is great. So all in all, like I said, if you're looking to upgrade that light bulb of yours, this one right here is gonna be fantastic.